You mean like this? You mean where's Appa? Where? Too hot? Where's Appa? Whoa! You mean very dangerous here. Whoa! It's very, very dangerous. Mimi, you need to get some water here. Jake, where's the boat? Boat? Okay. Boat. You can get some water, Mimi. Say thank you. Good boy. Ina, you become Red Bull. Oh yeah, really strong. Wow, Mimi, look here. Whoa.